Good morning, here goes the run through of the 2 IBC aquaponics setup, starting with the pumps. There's one pump each tank. Pumps are eBay sourced, 1500 litre per hour pumps. They pump up 19mm tube to barb fittings that are connected to the supports and inlet tubes of the teetering flow assembly. One pump's been turned off just so it doesn't keep cycling through and making noise for the video. The water flows into the beds, filling the beds, and the beds, once full, automatically siphon. Through 25mm pressure PVC tube that's been choked down to 20 at the bottom. They flow down into a counterbalance 90mm PVC tube. It's connected by ropes by the ends up to the teetering inflow assembly, and at the other end, with holes in the top of the T-piece, are connected to where the tamper seal would be on the top of the IBC. Connect that pump back up. And we'll see a full flow through. So once the water level comes up, the cycle will start. If I could do it all again, I'd go with a 20mm tube all the way through. And then the flow is diverted into the other bed. Once the spray bar is empty, it becomes light again, and when the other spray bar fills, when the other bed siphons, it'll teeter the other way and divert the water flow back into the other bed. The advantage is a bit extra water can be added to the tanks, because neither bed is going to be empty at both at the same time. Plus there's more air time in each bed. Thank you. Just to add the interconnect between the tanks is solids lift overflow. I haven't made up my mind what to do with this. I'm thinking about adding a blue barrel to the setup as a sump for the pumps that can then pump up to the teetering flow assembly, and can also act as a solid separator. At the moment, the interconnect just levels the two tanks, but I'll make my mind up later on. Just another detail is where the barb fitting comes in from the pumps and attaches to the teetering inflow assembly support and supply tubing. The other side, via a couple of T-pieces, have got a cap. None of this has been glued together yet, but on that cap could be added a PVC T, well, sorry, not PVC T, a PVC valve, a couple lengths of tube, and could make a constantly flowing and adjustable spray bar going into each tank to use up the extra flow that we have. It's only taking about 4 minutes to fill a bed with the flow rate that's coming out the pumps.